Hello, dear listeners. In this video tutorial, we will be learning how to create online exam for students or online quiz for students using Classera platform. So this video will be a little bit longer than our usual videos. So stay connected till end. So let's begin our process of creation of online exam using Classera platform. So beginning with this grade 10, if you move your cursor here, you will find option number 3. Click on this. You will have online exam access. Here we go. We have to create a new exam, create new exam. Afterwards, you will have multiple options, question by question, offline exams, generate exam, adaptive exam, import exam. If you have already made a PDF file or Word file, you can import the exam. But today I will be focusing on the classic exam format where we will upload our own questions. Clicking on the classic exam, you will find the classes over here. The sections are there, 10O and P. If you want to select both of the sections, you can select all and click next. Here are the information sheets you can fill in. The title of the exam will be Finance and Cash Flow Forecast. And in the comment section, you can write attempt all questions. Or in the preparation level, mean according to the level of learning, you can select which topic is this or which level of learning is this. So this is basically about cash flow forecasting and managing the cash flows. And the exam time limit you can mention in minutes. So I will mention here the maximum time allowed for exam would be 40 minutes. It depends on your exam level as well. So publishing date will be, for example, your exam is going to, or your quiz is going to be conducted online on 3rd of October. So you can select any date of future and the exam can start at 9 a.m., exactly 9 a.m. So cutoff date, it means at which date you want to disappear this exam from the students. That will be cutoff date. You can mention the cutoff date next day or 2 days later. So it was 3rd of October. You can make this 4th of October. And the cutoff time will be 10 a.m. in the morning. So this is the cutoff date. And if you don't want to mention the publishing date, you can check this button, specify publishing date later, because you can still edit the exam until you are finished. So next is you have to select one of the options, exam learning outcomes. I would like to click on this middle option, section level alignment. Then you will be able to add section with this learning outcome from question page. And now directly go to the questions. Click on this option to questions. You can see you have multiple options. You can add MCQs, multiple choice question. You can add a structured question, or you can add true false question. So I would like to add bulk core questions. Look at this. Bulk core question mean on clicking on this option, you can add multiple types of question. For example, you can add true, false, you can add multiple choice question, you can add essay type question, you can add fill in the blanks or multiple select answer. But if you go back to the options and you don't want to add bulk questions, you have to select question by question. Add new question, click on this arrow, you will have these options with you. Each time you have to go back and click what type of question you want to add. But I would suggest you to add bulk core questions once only, and then you will be able to add multiple choice question, essay type question, or whatever you want. So let's begin with multiple choice questions. Click on this. By default, you have two options, two multiple options. You can add as many up to 6 options. And I want to add 4 multiple options, and you have to mention correct answer as well. So this is for 1 mark by default. You can add 2 marks. So let's look into the question first. Here is our question number 1. This is the statement of question. I'm copying it Which of the following is an example of cash inflow of the business? Here we go. We have question statement. Here is a text question. Just paste it here. I have to copy that. Hold on. I have to copy this question. Which of the following is an example of cash inflow of the business? So I can type it if it is not giving me option of copying. Which of the following is an option is cash inflow of the business? So here we have which of the following is a cash inflow of the business? So just add this question. And now option one, you can say payment. Option one is payment made to creditor. Option two is cash received from sales. Option number three is cash paid to supplier. And option four is cash paid to creditor, or cash paid to banker, you can say. According to the understanding, the correct answer is number two option. Click on that, and then you can create this question here. So the question will be automatically saved. Now you can add as many multiple choice question as you wish. Let's add another type of question here. Add bulk core question. And this time I want to add essay type question here. And I have to take question from my worksheet. What is meant by cash inflow? Here we go. We have to add the text of the question here. What is meant by cash inflow? So you can add save button, and then you have to give the correct answer. So the correct answer is here, money coming into the business in the form of cash. So we can say the money comes into the business in the form of cash is cash inflow. You can add a question here, create question here. It's a very, very simple way to add the question. So as many questions you want to add, you can add it here. And after that, you are done with multiple choice question, essay type of question, or different types of question here. This is the list of matching heading, fill in the blanks. So you can add as many as you wish according to your test level. So after you are done with this, you can go back to your exam. You can edit as many times as you wish, but before the publishing date. Okay, so the publishing date is there. So approve changes if you want to edit something. And afterwards, you can see your exam is ready. How can you click on that? Click on exam over here. And now you can see your exam is created. If you want to look into it or preview it, you will be able to look into the question statement here. So this is your question. You have added multiple choice question. You have added essay type of question. And once the student will start entering into the exam according to the cutoff date and publishing date, they will be able to attempt this quiz or online exam in 40 minutes time. And the cutoff date will be given. So after that, the students will not be able to see this exam online. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep connected to this channel. I will upload more such videos.